Okay, for number 14, we are going to solve another quadratic equation, x squared minus 8x plus 13 is equal to 0. Notice that this equation is not factorable, but it's okay because we learned the completing a square and also the quadratic formula in order for us to solve this. Let me go over the completing square first. X squared minus 8x plus 13 equals to 0. Our first step is going to be minus 13 on both sides. Minus 13 on both sides, because you want to keep the x squared minus ax on one side first. Alright, so we do have that on the left hand side, x squared minus 8x, and that equals to negative 13. Now, to complete the square, we have to figure out what number we need to add on both sides. But let's do a first check. We need to make sure that the number in front of the x squared is 1. And we do have that. The number in front of the x squared is 1. Okay. Then, to figure out a number that we have to add, you take the number in front of the x, which is negative 8. So let me put this down right here, negative 8. And you divide that number by 2. And you are going to take the result and square that. So you take negative 8 divided by 2. You always divide by 2, alright? Negative 8 divided by 2, you end up with negative 4. And you square that, negative 4 times negative 4, you get positive 16. So you add 16 on both sides. This is the number that you add on both sides. And if you do it this way, and this is always going to guarantee that the left-hand side is going to be factorable, you get x minus 4 times x minus 4 for this expression. They will always be the same factors. They will always be the same factors. This is equal to negative 13 plus 16, we get 3. Because these two are the same factors, I can write it as x minus 4 raised to the second power, and that's equal to 3. And since now we have something raised to the second power is equal to 3, I can take the square root on both sides. And here I'm going to attach, don't forget the plus minus with the numbers right here. If you do that, the square and the square root will cancel each other out, and you are going to end up with x minus 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. It's good that we're dealing with square root of 3 because you don't need to simplify this because it's not able to simplify anyways. Alright, one more step. We are just going to add 4 on both sides. So let me plus 4 here and plus 4 here. Get rid of this. Finally, the answer is going to be x equals to 4 plus minus square root of 3. So that will be it. Right? That'll be it.